Yo, what's up, everybody? Chris Forsyth, Spotchkins, S-Sticks. Today, got a little unboxing. Because this guy came, like, I don't know, a week and a half ago or something. And, I was actually pretty tired that day. Got the email, it was delivered. Pretty much went outside and then threw it to what I guess is I'm calling the pile of misfit stuff that I need to either film or do something with. I don't know. So what this is Sabine and Chopper from what's it called? The Haslab Ghost. So, still waiting on that guy. Should be anytime soon now, but, like, we're not getting any news on it. Hasbro just did a thing a couple weeks ago as well, and they didn't say anything. No announcements, no nothing. I have no emails. It's supposed to be coming fall 2024, so I don't know. I got this for now. So, let's see what these guys look like. And let's see if Hasbro fucked me. And, the, boxes are all fucked up or something. Come on. Alright, so the box itself was in pretty good condition. Got some nice packaging in here. Oh, it's actually in this thing. Did I just like catch a fish? What is going on here? Anyway. All right. Well, let's go. The box itself, great condition. Got Sabine on the side, Chopper on the other side. Back looks great. Got Rebels on the top, Sabine and Chopper. Bottom is just all that legal bullshit. Dude, I almost don't want to open this, but I want to open it because I do have the Ghost coming, and I want all these card backs lined up because cool thing about these, the back looks better. So it's actually, when you put all the card backs together, it's Sabine's painting at the end of Rebels series. So I gotta put it together. But I almost kind of regret, like, this was kind of like a crazy price point. I think this was like $60 for the two of these guys. But yeah, the price point was a little, or I would have gotten two. I actually really regret not getting two now. Let me put this out, and then let's get to very careful things. Oh, that's gonna suck. Where did my fucking knife go? No. Yoo-hoo. Very scary. I don't like this at all. Alright, it's open. I'm gonna try and keep this as crisp as I can. What's this? Hasbro invites you to, I don't know, whatever. Legal bullshit. Oh, fuck. Why can't I just take them out in one thing? Oh, that's why. Alright, so. The box in the box seems to be sealed up quite nice. And the cards themselves, they do look fresh. So I'm very happy about this. God damn, I wish I got 2 of these. Alright. I guess I'll take them out one by one. So, first. Oh yeah, these cards are fresh. Thank you, Hasbro, for not fucking up for once. So, first we got Sabine. Card deck is beautiful. Got the Rebels there. Her artwork in the background. That's going to be the whole thing once you put everything together. But yeah, this is dope. This figure's dope. She's got some little fire going on. Is that supposed to come out of a jetpack? Oh yeah, she does have a jetpack. She's got both her guns. Switchable helmet. I believe you can actually take her head off. Which I like that Hasbro's doing this now. Because like those like big ass helmets, they look a little awkward and shit. She's got a little shield and everything too. So this is dope. But yeah, unpunched. Let's go. Put that to the side. Now let's get my guy out here. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about that. So we got Chopper, and I totally keep forgetting he actually does come with 2 Loth Cats. And this is another reason why I wanted a second one of these. Is just so I can like actually open this and have Loth Cats to put wherever I may please. But yeah, now this is dope. Yeah. Very happy with this. I'm not sure what's going on down here. Or if it'll show up on camera. But right on the bottom here, it's a little bit opened up. I don't know if I should complain to Hasbro about that or not. But I don't know, you can tell me in the comments whether or not you complain about this. But otherwise, card, very fresh. I love it. Dude, I really want to take these Loth Cats out. Like, if I actually complain to Hasbro and be like, yo, I need another one of these, like, I will open it. But, yeah. Nah, this is dope. Sabine and Chopper. Let's go. I'm very happy with these. I can't wait for the whole set to come. Can't wait for the Ghost. That, oh my god, dude. When I got the Ghost, I don't even know where I'm gonna put it. I'm probably gonna have to fucking move the camera to and fucking film the whole thing. But, yeah, rock and roll. In the comments, let me know if you got the ghost, if you got these guys as well to fill out the whole ghost crew. And I'll see you in the next one. May the force be with you.